Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to hide a page from this navigation menu in Hostinger website builder. As you see here, I have this about page, and let's show you how to hide it from here. So the first step is to visit hpanel.hostinger.com. So then log into your Hostinger account. After that, click on websites. And next to the website, you want to hide a page from its navigation menu. Click on this edit website button. This is my website, and to hide this about from this navigation, simply go to pages and you will see your current navigation menu, and this is the page that I want to hide. So here, instead of deleting this page from here, because it will delete it completely from your website, all you need to do to hide it, simply drag and move it down here below hidden from navigation. And just like that, no more about page in my case. After that, don't forget to update your website. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Below hidden from navigation, and just like that, no more about page in my case. After that, don't forget to update your website. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And as you see, the page does not show up here, but if this about page has a link from anywhere from your list, you can still visit the page. And this is how to hide a page from the navigation menu in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.